Today we'll talk about how can you disable normally speed on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on record it, just click on it. You come to next here, then you go down. You come here to normalize speed, just click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's me normalize speed disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.